Greetings to you all my wonderful students. We are back once again with our basic design and technology. This is basic 7. Our topic for today is elements of design. And the subtopic is the application of elements of design in meal preparation. I hope my wonderful learners, I hope you learned that on Monday we had a Zoom lesson, and this Zoom lesson we had was about this same topic, that is the application of elements of design in meal preparation. We are back once again to have our notes. Please pick your pens and notebooks and copy the notes on the application of elements of design in meal preparation. Now, how to apply elements in meal preparation? You all know these elements are used to garnish savory foods, decoration of sweets, variety in the selection of dishes for a meal, setting table to suit an occasion, and arrangement of dishes. You can have a photograph of whatever I'm going to talk about or whatever we discussed on Monday. Now, can you identify any design principle over there? You just check it out. Now, let's take color first. We said combining different colors in our meals help to make our meals attractive and appetizing. A meal with only one color will not be attractive as compared to many. So pale foods such as plain rice, mashed yam, boiled fish should be garnished with colorful bits of food to improve their appearance. So look at different colors. Different colors must also be used to decorate the dining table as well as the table. So look at the food, the variety of the colors of the food over there. Now we move on to shape. We said that various shapes and sizes of foods make them attractive and appetizing. For example, in preparing vegetable salad, carrots can be cut into cubes, lettuce into rectangular shapes, runner beans into diamond shapes, and then cucumber into round or semicircle shapes. So that is how shape is applied in meal preparation. Fufu, banku, tuwo zafi, omutuo, yam balls, kenke can also be molded into round and oval shapes. Cakes and pastries are also made in different shapes. So just look at the food molded in different shapes. Now we go to texture. The textures we eat have different, the food that we eat have different textures. Some foods feel rough, example rock bands, soft or smooth, example fufu, tuwo zafi, crepes, that is biscuit, carrot, hard, that is nuts. In selecting food from for a meal, foods with different textures should be selected to make the meal interesting and enjoyable. There should be something to sip or drink, something to chew, something to swallow. So let us look at the foods with different textures. Now let's move to dots. In preparing our dishes, small bits of foods can be used to provide dotted shapes, which will make the dishes look attractive. Natural foods like seeds and granules can also be used to provide dotted natural foods like seeds and granules can also be used to provide dotted designs. For example, roasted granules on top of mashed plantain or yam. We have the currants for cakes, sesame seeds for the top of bread. Now, the same principles of design, the same element of design can be applied in clothing. That is in clothing. For example, let's take color. Combination in clothing should be given careful careful consideration due to difference in color of skin, complexion, and body sizes. Some colors will make one look bigger or taller than normal, whilst others will make one look smaller or shorter. So good selection and combination of colors will make one feel warm or cool, comfortable or gloomy. The effects of color can make one look attractive or disguised. A fat or big person who wants to appear smaller can choose medium dark colors such as green and purple. Slim or small persons who wants to look large should choose colors such as orange, yellow, or red in clothes. Just look at it carefully. The color combinations which has been used in the clothing. That's the flag of Ghana. It's made up of red, yellow, and green and black. Look at the men over there and the other fabric over there. Now let us look at how lines are used in clothing. Line is another element of design that plays important role in the selection of clothing for a figure. Lines in patterns, designs, and styles of clothes affect one's figure in various ways. For example, vertical lines make one look taller and slim, but horizontal lines reduce one's height and make him or her fatter. Now let's look at texture. See lines in the dresses that has been used. Now let's move to texture. The texture of fabrics can affect the appearance of a person. The thickness of a fabric as well as the prints on its surface can affect its texture. Fat persons must avoid bulky fabrics, but rather use fabrics with smooth and fine textures. So look at the texture over there. My learners, we left lines out in the application of elements of design in meal preparation. Now, food items can be shaped in lines just to create a design in food service. For example, onions, carrots, cucumbers, tomatoes, and green peppers can be cut in lines to garnish a dish or to prepare a sauce. My wonderful learners, we won't go far because we've already discussed this topic already. The only new one here is the application of the element of design in clothing, and we've realized how to apply the element in clothing as well as in meal preparation. So on this note, we have ended the lesson. You can go to assessment and answer all the questions. Bear in mind that the questions must be written in your exercise book, and then you take a snap and send through my WhatsApp line. Listen attentively, listen to the instruction, go to assessment, copy the questions before you answer them into your exercise books, and then send it through my WhatsApp for marking. I'm taking record of all the exercises that you are doing, and it's going to be recorded, and that is what is going to indicate whether you'll be promoted to the next class or not. So take note of that. Stay safe from COVID-19. Goodbye.